Hi friends, welcome back. Again in this video, I'm going to teach you the science of predicting UPSC prelims paper using the PYQs. Guys, the most important weapon which you have in your prelims preparation is the PYQs. Once you understand why UPSC is giving a particular question in the year, you will able to align your preparation as per the demand of the UPSC exam. Guys, most of the candidates who even after doing a lot of hard work are unable to crack the prelims examination because they are not able to understand the demand of the prelims paper. They are not able to understand the mindset of the people who are setting the papers. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to discuss another important theme which has emerged in the last 2-3 years of UPSC prelims paper, which is ignored by most of the UPSC aspirants, and they are losing precious marks every year. This dimension is also ignored by most of the coaching institutes, and you will rarely find any question in the mock test of the general coaching institute. So guys, today we are going to discuss animal behavior questions. So guys, and in this video at the end, I'm going to gift you one prediction on animal behavior which is going to come in the UPSC examination 2025. So guys, if you have observed, UPSC has tried to improvise questions on species. Previously, they used to just ask questions on the IUCN status of species, but now they are asking the animal behavior. You can see some of the questions which have come. You can see this question which came in the prelims 2024, where they have asked the animal behavior of the big cats, lion versus cheetahs versus leopard. Guys, you can see in even prelims 2020 they had asked a question on elephant behavior. Guys, particularly you see in 2023 there was a question on which of the animals are nocturnal. So guys, this means what? UPSC has tried to improvise questions asked on species. They are not just asking the IUCN status, or they are not just asking the protected area. They are not just asking the schedule of the animal in the Wildlife Protection Act, but they are asking the behavior of the animal. What is the hunting behavior? What is the mating behavior? Such kind of questions UPSC is asking. Guys, let me tell you, this question which came on the big cat, I had predicted in the prelims 2024, and exactly the question came in the UPSC exam. So this year guys, again there is a one of the most controversial species which is in news for the last 5-6 months, which can come in the UPSC 2025, is the wolf. Guys, if you see, this species is in news for the last 1 year for multiple reasons. Let us try to understand more about Indian wolf. So guys, Indian wolf, if you see, they have the most in Indian wolf are the most ancient lineage of living wolves in the world. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. They are the most ancient lineage of wolves in the world. Most ancient lineage of the wolves in the world. Okay. And guys, you can see here, they are listed as least concern. They are listed as least concern in the IUCN red list. However, in the Wildlife Protection Act, they are listed as Schedule 1 species, Guys, they can ask you a question on the behavior of wolves, because recently when there was a lot of controversy where wolves were attacking humans, in that context the behavior of wolf was in news. So they may ask you what is the difference between dogs and wolves, because guys, dogs and wolves both have 99.9% of their DNA as same. Still, they have different physical and behavioral traits. So they may ask you what is the difference between the behavior and physical appearance of dogs and Indian wolves. Very, very important. Guys, such kind of interesting dimensions you need to prepare about the topics which are in news. Generally, you will not find most of the coaching institutes targeting such kind of aspects, and that is why even after doing a lot of hard work, students are not even cracking the prelims examination. So guys, let us see some of the differences between dogs and wolves. Again, I repeat that only minor part of their DNA is same. Most of them, most of it is same. 99%, the DNA of wolves and dogs are same. Okay, you can see guys, social structure. You can see here that wolves live in packs. Wolves live in packs, close knit family structure, rarely accepts outsiders. For example, you can see the difference is the dogs forms bonds with humans and other dogs adaptable to human families. Okay, dogs are more sociable, whereas wolves are not. Next, dogs are comfortable with humans and they like human guidance, whereas the wolves, they are shy of humans, they avoid humans, they basically they are displaying cautious behavior regarding humans, and they do not rely on humans for guidance. Okay, this is very very important. This is the most important difference. Okay, the dogs, they accept humans as leaders. Okay, whereas wolves, they have their own alpha wolf as a leader of the pack. Okay, very very important. The dogs are highly dependent on humans for food and socialization, whereas the wolves are independent and self-sufficient. They can hunt. They do not need human assistance. Problem solving, again, dogs depend on humans for problem solving, whereas the wolves are self-reliant for problem solving. Guys, dogs may mark territories, but they are not very territorial, whereas wolves are very very strongly territorial. Guys, they defend their territory very aggressively. Next, guys, dogs, they bark, they whine, they howl, whereas the wolves rarely bark. This is very very important. Generally they do howling. So why this is important, guys? You can see in the prelims 2024 they have asked, okay, what kind of noise is made by the cheetahs? You can see here they have said cheetahs do not roar. Okay, such kind of things can also come. It appears sometimes silly that such thing will not come in exam, but UPSC is now increasing the difficulty level of the questions. Okay, so hunting instincts in dogs, they have like diminished, whereas the wolves still have the hunting instinct. They depend on hunting. Okay, guys, so this is very very important. Wolf prefer wild grasslands, open ecosystem. Okay, next, the wolves have high stamina. They can travel long distances. That's what they have, very strong feet. Okay, and guys, primarily they communicate using pack. Okay, packs, whereas like the dogs can also understand the language of humans. Okay, so sign language they can understand. This is also very important difference between dogs and wolves.